Latest on the PSL news sanibona bafethu uVanelo, so I'm back again with indaba zala kwiBetway Premiership. Yabo, so indaba ke iphumile namhlanje kuthiwa igame iOrlando Pirates versus iDurban City isischeduliwe bafethu isizodlalwa le eMosmabhida ngisadlalwa le eChatsworth Stadium. Ukhumbula kahle ke bekubhala ukuthi iChatsworth Stadium but ke ivenue isishintshiwe siyodlalelwa eMosmabhida, ningakhohlwa ke 29 November ngo3:30 emini. So le game le izosimenta ukuthi Orlando Pirates isidlale 3 games eThekwini. Indaba ezimnandi kakhulu kwelezi bafethu. So abantu kumele baphume obuningi futhi bayoyisupporta iOrlando Pirates kule game le ezoba imnandi indlela eyisimanga ebaluleke kakhulu. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uDaniel Akpeyi, the former Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper bafethu, has joined iGDL. Yabo, iklabhu ke lapha abafethu edlala kwiGDL igama la iFuture of Africa as their new goalkeeper coach. Umjidi una 39 years old. Yabo, une-CAF D license. Yangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona umuntu osathanda kuphuma nje mfethu ebholeni ayocoach. Usathanda kuphuma ebholeni uyocoach right now. Userious ngempela bafethu uDaniel Akpeyi. Indaba ezimnandi kakhulu lezi. Ubani abanye abadlali nofuna ukubabona beyocoach belandele inyathelweni zalabadlali sibabonayo besathanda kuretire nje sebeyocoach manje. Because mukhumbula kahle nayo uMpontshane uOrlando Pirates right now ugoalkeeper coach uOrlando Pirates currently. Yabo, indaba nje lezi ziyangijabulisa kakhulu. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uTebogo Mokoena bafethu imidfielder eMamelodi Sundowns is set to make his 50th international appearance for iBafana Bafana this Saturday. Muwasubheke bafethu ama-caps umjida asabi nawo sibile bini naye saba khona naye ebuhlini. Umjida bafethu is one of those players for iBafana Bafana osisinikeze olukhulu. Yabo, kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukuzwa le indaba lezi. I hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi ascore kule game yakhe for iBafana Bafana when he make his 58th appearance for iBafana Bafana. Indaba ezimnandi lezi. Kwezinye ke izindaba bafethu angifuni nikhohlwe free entry. Orlando Pirates will take on Kaizer Chiefs Solomon Mahlangu Stadium DDC Festival iyeza kule weekend 15 November. Mukhumbula kahle ke kuzodlala iSteelers versus eMamelodi Sundowns mase uthi TS Galaxy idlale neOrbit College ngomhla 15 November. Lapha amathikiti azobetholakala mahhala. Mase kuthi ngomhla 16 ngesonto kudlala iPulwane City neMagesi ngo12 ekseni. Mase kuthi emini kudlaleni nayo Orlando Pirates versus iKaizer Chiefs. Amathikiti kuthiwa abafethu azobetholakala mahhala, uzowacollecta nje khona eStadium ngo12. Yabo, uzowacollecta ngoFriday. Ungakhohlaka ungayi stadium, ungavele nje uye estadium, but amathikithi kumele uwacollecte kephi le eSolomon Mahlangu stadium. Uzowacollecta nini? Uzowacollecta ngo12. Yabo, acollectwa ngoLwesihlanu amathikithi. Ungayi estadium, ngiyaphinda futhi ungayi estadium ngaliphethe ithikithi. Yes, litholakala mahhala ithikithi kodwa kumele ulicollecta estadium ngo12 ngoLwesihlanu. Yabo, masubheke iDDC League right now ubheka ama-standings. Currently Orlando Pirates isidlala ama-games ayi-10 ihleli ku-25 points. Umuntu oyilandelayo iMamelodi Sundowns with 20 points, mase kuthi iSteelers silandele with 19 points, mase kuthi iRichards Bay ibo number 4 with 18 points. Kaizer Chiefs currently sitting at number 6 with 14 points. Ungabe usuyiphozela kuwabheka bafethu ama-standings currently, but ke niyayibona indlela emi ngakhona. Kaizer Chiefs bafuna ukukhuphuka baye phezulu njengoba beyotholana with Orlando Pirates kuyizobe kuyiSoweto derby le bafethu emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Orlando Pirates currently yenza kahle ku-DDC. Kaizer Chiefs they are bit struggling, but ke abajida bazokwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukubhekana neOrlando Pirates phela. Akuyi ngeform ekudlala iderby, akuyi ngeform noma umuntu angaboza kanjani noma iteam engadlala kanjani, but mase kudlalwa iderby uyazi ukuthi kuyahudulwana. Kuyahudulwana ngempela. Wangitshela wena i-score prediction sale derby ukuthi yipi team ezowina and izowina ngasiphi score. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uMamelodi Sundowns goalkeeper uJordi February kuthiwa umjida uzowenza i-decision enkulu kakhulu because i-contract yakhe izophela with iMamelodi Sundowns ngoJune 2026. Njengoba ze izophela i-contract yakhe usengasayina i-pre-contract with any team la kwiBetway Premiership ngoJanuary. Yebo, kukuyena ukuthi usayina yipi i-pre-contract with i-team la kwiBetway Premiership, but ke yena ke angazi nje ngempela iSundowns ayimsebenzisi lo mshida lo bafethu, angazi noma yimina yini, but kwiSundowns he doesn't get game time even when uWilliams elimele. They rather choose to take uDennis Onyango avimba uDennis Onyango, if I remember very well akwathi uzo-retire, but they chose to resign uDennis Onyango bafethu ba-renew i-deal yakhe uDennis Onyango. Yabo, ekhona umdlali uJordi February, so they don't rate this guy, they don't rate him. angazi kodwa ke iyiphi team ezomsayina. There are many teams kwi-Betway Premiership eshoda ngo-goalkeeper. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs might look into this guy. Kwesinye seyindaba ngisakuyona nje i-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa ke the former Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates player bafethu uBongani Sam has joined iChippa United on a free transfer. If you remember very well, this player left the Kaizer Chiefs last season engakaze ayidlala, akazadlalela iKaizer Chiefs nakanye nje umjida bafethu wayishiya iKaizer Chiefs. Usejoyine right now iChippa United on a free transfer. Let's hope umjida uzokwazi ukudlala kahle on a injury free yabo career kwiChippa United. Let's hope izinto zimhambela kahle, but ke yena unalo vele ibhadi lokuthi abe nawo ama-injury. Kwezinye zeyindaba iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu isirenewe ideal kabani ka-Aubrey Modiba. Aubrey Modiba bafethu ideal yakhe isizorana until 2027. Bafana international contract isisorted bafethu. Sisazombona nje umjida edlala for iMamelodi Sundowns. They are very keen on keeping uAubrey Modiba with iSantawana. Sakuyona nje iMamelodi Sundowns ezinye zeyindaba engayisandi kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns iwinga layo uThapelo Maseko could be set for a January exit with a limited game time, prompting a potential loan interest from clubs seeking to bolster their attack. Singesazi ukuthi umjida uzoyapi, but ke it looks like yena uzohamba naye kuMamelodi Sundowns. Remember ke they blocked his future. Not they blocked his future, they blocked a move for him ukuthi abe loaned out Mamelodi Sundowns. Angazi indaba yayiblocka leyo move leyo, but ke they did block his move. But ke it looks like umjida ngenzeka ahambe ngoJanuary. If you look at this picture, he is currently playing for iDDC. Yabo, uyaya adlale for iFirst Team, abuye futhi ayodlala iDDC. Adlale for iFirst Team, adlale neDDC. Bamsayina ama-million ashisiwe suka kuSuperSport United, but ke umjida uloke edlala with intwana same as uMabhena. If you know Mabhena weMamelodi Sundowns, he is currently playing for iDDC side yeMamelodi Sundowns. Izinto azikho mnandi for these players, but ke asazi competition ithathe kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns. You don't have to cry for these players. Competition is very tough. Umjida ujoin iSundowns eyazi kahle ukuthi competition tight, yabo. So yena ngokwakhe kumele fight for iposition yakhe. So ingenzeka ayishiye iMamelodi Sundowns ngubani ngoJanuary. Loan move possibly. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu ngisakuyona nje iSundowns. Uthi iMamelodi Sundowns iopen ukudayiseni uKodisang, yabo. Ithiwa nje iopen kumdayiseni umjida ahambe permanently. So umjida right now ukuyilone nje bekuyilone nje iclub yasePortugal, but ke I don't think kuzoba likely ukuthi abuyele kuMamelodi Sundowns. Kungenzeka ukuthi le club akuyilone kuyona ideal yakhe ibe permanent, yabo. Asazike Kodisang is the player that they signed last season. I don't know what kwenzakalani umjida, but ke it looks like akafikanga wenze ibukwayo kuMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns ayibanga happy with indlela adlala ngayo. Kwezinye izindaba Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper uFierce Ntwari bafethu une shoulder injury. Currently umjida uyarecover esibhedlela, uyayilolonga. Last but not least, I'm sure abantu abaningi bayilindele le indaba zeOrlando Pirates. Ngizwile bafethu umthombo wami uyangitshela ukuthi iCase Orlando Pirates is strong kakhulu. Njobe strong nje kakhulu iCase Orlando Pirates, kusadingidwa bafethu. Kusadingidwa ukuthi le case le izohlelwa kanjani, iziphi izinto ezizolandelwa, yiphi futhi judgment ezothathwa. But ke it looks like Orlando Pirates iphethe icase eqine ngempela. 80% yokuthi Orlando Pirates iwine le case le. Okwamanje kusalindwe iCAF ukuthi ikhiphe umbiko. Siyawabona nje ama-journalist la ekhipha izitori ezihlangahlangene, ekhipha izitori zokuthi kukhishiwe ama-dates ukuthi kuyodlalwa, kukhishiwe ama-official azo-officiator, but the case is still pending bafethu. Ngingalahli nje amathemba, Orlando Pirates they still have the big chance ukuthi babuyele kwiCAF Champions League. But ke it's up to you as umuntu ongibukayo njengamanje. Wena nje ububuka le video ngokwakho, do you think Orlando Pirates kumele ifight le case le uzibuyele kwi-Champions League? Mina ngokwami, yeah, it's a 50-50 thing. I would love to see Orlando Pirates idlala kwi-Champions League, because think about the money esoyithola. Yes, imali soyithola sikwazi ukuthenga abanye abadlali njengala season senze njalo, sithola imali eningi kwiCAF, sakwazi ukuthi sithengele abadlali esinabo. Think about the money. And another thing, ngithanda kakhulu ukuthi sibuyele, because yabo sizohlala ekhanda lethu ukuthi kumele sifocus kwi-league, kumele sifocus kwi-Champions League, sifocus kwi-Champions League. I think leyo nto leyo yabo izosimesa pha kancane engqondweni. But ke ngokwakho wena, do you think kumele sibuyele kwi-CAF Champions League? You can tell me in the comments what do you feel about i-situation ye-KC Orlando Pirates. But ke izona-ke iy'ndaba lezi engiyitholile namhlanje bafethu. Ungakhohlwa usubscriber sifike kubani ku-20,000 lapha ka-YouTube, sifike ku-200k lapha ka-TikTok. Ngiyabonga bafethu for i-support eningingiyaza yona.